Alright, time to get it out of the oven. See if it's done. Wow, it actually looks pretty good. I don't know if you can see that. It's crazy big. That's what she said. So take a look at that. Yummy, yummy. Again, smell-o-vision would really help you guys. Alright, so I'll test it. Looks good. Test it, and now flip it. Into a cooling rack. Who's surprised I have a cooling rack? Alright. I'm gonna turn it off.